Okay, here we go. Okay, this is the wind, and it's very gusty here at the present time. And we're at this is 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts here in the city of Lewiston, Ohio. Actually, this is the wind that is coming our way. So, this is the wind and work. Whoa! 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 Holy! Whoa! That was something. Yeah. That right there was mighty something right there. Oh man! Oh man! Whoa! Yeah. Hey, right there, Mother Nature. Oh man! Oh man! That right there. That's why I like film windstorms. Holy! Whoa! 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 See that? See that, Mother Nature? Yeah? Whoa! 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 Oh my gosh. Shut that door. Hey, shut that door. Okay, shut the garage door so the animal could get out. Okay, here we go. Here we go. This is the wind, guys. Where the National Weather Service has issued us a high wind warning for this area of Lewiston, Ohio. And yeah. Whoa! Show me what you got, wind. Show me what you got. You got a nut on me? Oh man, here we go. Oh man. Holy. Let's see what G's are, alright? Yeah. Okay. See you for part 2. Whoa! 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 Show what you got, Wind. Show what you got. You got a nut on me? Yeah, the wind actually knows that they got something on me. Yeah. Oh man, this is great. Oh man. Right, see you soon.